Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope that you all are healthy and safe at your home with your parents, and I know very well that it's been a long time that I have not uploaded any teaching videos in my YouTube channel, and I saw that there were many comments to uploaded maths video for class 6 maths. So now here is the first part of the first chapter, knowing our numbers of class 6 subject mathematics. So let's start it, but before that let's have an overview of today's class. So in today's class we will know about the numbers, and second Indian number system, and at last we will compare between the numbers. So come to the first, introduction to the numbers. Yeah, it's a common question that what is a number, right? What is a number? So you can see what are numbers. So before knowing that, we have to understand what are digits. Okay, so it's very simple. From 0 to 9, these are called digits. Okay, in our counting 0 to 9, these are digits. Simple. And in another way you can say digits are uh, the single symbol which makes or which forms numbers. Clear? And now let's understand what are numbers. For example, if I am making some drawing some lines like 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 12. Okay, so here how many lines I have drawn? So it's very simple. I have make 12 lines. So these are numbers. It's an idea, it's an count, it's a measurement. Okay, so you can say what is the definition of number. So we can say that number is a count or measurement, or you can say it's an idea. Okay, and here you can see we have formed numbers by using the digits. Here 1 and 2, it is making it is showing the numbers. Okay, the amount, the measurement of these lines. So here 1 is a digit and 2 is another digit. So here you can see this group of digits, these are making numbers. Okay, in another way it can also form, means digit can also form 3 digit numbers like 3 4 5. Okay, so how you will read it? It is 345, and here 3 is a digit, 4 is a digit, 5 is another digit. And now you have to understand what are numerals. So what are numerals? Numerals stand for the to show the numbers. It stand for the numbers. For example, here there were how many lines? 12. So here we just wrote 12, 1 and 2. Okay, so it is just representation of the numbers 1 and 2, means how we write the numbers, that is come in the numerals. So in this way digit, numbers and numerals is clear. Okay, the basic difference was this. And now come to the next. Yes, number system. So in this lesson we will study only two number system. Generally there are two number system, Indian number system and international number system, or you can say Indian numeral system. Okay, in the place of number you can say numeral system. So let's understand this number system at first. So okay, let me make it big. So here, okay, now you can see this properly. And here the heading is Indian number system, right? So just look at here the words which is written in the red color. So what are these? These are known as periods. Okay, and the words which is written in blue color, these all are known as places. Okay, so what is the basic difference between period and places? So here you can see what is the difference. Let me show you. The basic difference is that period is greater than places, means group of places it can form a period. For example, here ones, tens and hundreds are the places of ones period. Similarly, thousand and 10,000s are the places of thousands. Similarly, lakhs and 10 lakhs are the places of lakhs period, and crore and 10 crores are the places of crores period. So this is the major difference between this period and places. So now we will know that how to read, how to write the numbers using these places and period of this Indian number system. So let me write a number. For example, there is a number 361. So how we can write? So here this one is stand for ones place. Okay. Let me write properly. It is 1. Then 6 it will come in tens place, and 3 it will come on hundreds place. So in this way we have represented 361. Okay, now if you will take a big number, so let me write a big number 2653829. Okay, so now let's place this number. There is a question in your NCERT books that place these numbers. Okay, so here we are going to placing these numbers. So 9 it will come on ones place, 2 will come on tens place, 8 will come in hundred place. Now in thousands place we will write 3, then in 10,000 place we will write 5, then 6 will come in lakhs, and last 2 will come in 10 lakhs place. So what is the number? You can read that it is 26 lakhs 53,829. Okay, so it was the role of this period and places to read the number and write the numbers. Okay, and in this way you can also use comma. How to use comma? So it's a very simple way. That is now Indian number system or international number system. There is only one thing, one common thing, that after each period we will use comma. Okay, for example, here 26 is in lakh period, so 26. Okay, here put a comma. Now 53, these are in thousand place, so now after 3 we will put a comma, then it is 829. So it was a simple way to put a comma. Okay, so next we will practice on some more questions. So let me bring it down. Okay, so let me write another number. 4 ones, 2 tens, 3 hundreds, thousands, 6,000s, 10,000s I will take 7, in lakhs I will take 8, in 10 lakhs I will take 0, and in crores I will take 9, and in 10 crores I will take 5. So now how we will read this number? So it's very simple. Check the places and periods of these digits. So 5 in 10 crore and 9 is in crore. So both are the crores period. So we will read as 59 crores. Then here is 0 in 10 lakh and 8 is in lakh. So now it is for lakhs. So 59 crore 8 lakhs, and here is 7 and 6 are in thousand place. So 76,324. So it's a simple way to place the numbers in number system, in place value system. And now come to the third topic, which is comparison between numbers. So how to compare between the numbers? To compare between the numbers, we generally use some symbols. So what are the symbols? So let's know them. First is smaller than, second is greater than, and third is equal to. So here first one is smaller than. In which condition do we use smaller? For example, 5 and 3. So left side you can see it is 5 and right side it is 3. So 5 is greater number and 3 is smaller number. So yeah, here we will use the symbol. But in this condition 3 is smaller and 5 is greater. So just use this symbol. Okay, this point shows that it is a smaller number. So 3 is smaller than 5. Okay, and in first one you can see 5 is greater than 3. And for example, if we have another number, means left side and right side we have same digit, same number, 2 and 2, so it means it is equal. So yeah, in your previous classes 3, 4, 5, you have very well practiced on these symbols, smaller than, greater than, and equal to. So now in big numbers, how we can use these symbols, or how we can compare the big numbers. So for that, just first point is compare between the digits. Okay, so let me take one example, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and let me use one box for putting the symbol, and 1, 2, 7, 9, 4, 5, 8. Okay, so what was our first tip? Count the digits. Okay, and which number will have more digits, that will be the greater number. So left side number, it has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now count the digits for right numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you can see right side number has 7 digits and left side the number has only 5 digits. So here we can say this one means right side number is greater than left side number. So we will use this symbol. Which symbol? Greater than. Or you can say 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, it is smaller than 1, 2, 7, 9, 4, 5, 8. Okay, let me give you another one example. 4, 5, 7, 2, 6, 8, 3, 3, 2, 6, 9. So now count the digits for the left side number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you can see which number has more digits. So left side number has more digits. So we will use here greater than symbol. So in this way you can compare between the numbers. So it was the first tip. Now let me give you another type of question. In this condition, the number of digits will be same. So how we can compare between the numbers? So let's understand it. So at first let me take a number 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let me put a box, and 1, 2, 6, 9, 2, 4. So now students, in this condition what we will do? If both numbers have same digits, 3, 3, 6, it has 6 digits, and 3 and 3, it has also 6 digits. So first tip, according to the first tip we can't compare. So now come to the second tip. If the number of digits is same, so at that condition just check the places, greater places. Okay, so here you can see that ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 3 is in lakh place, and here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 1 is in lakh places. So these two are lakh places. So compare the digits now. So here we have 3 and here we have 1. So which is greater, 3 or 1? So generally we know that 3 is greater than 1. So here 3 lakh 24,567 will be greater than 1 lakh 26,924. So in this condition we can easily compare it. Is it clear? I hope is it clear. Now next, uh, it's time to homework. So here it's a simple homework for you. What you have to do? Just compare between this number and use these symbols, greater than or smaller than. Okay, here is the first one. Okay, let me do the first one. So in question number first, there are two ways, two tips to compare between the numbers. First one was digit, according to the digit, and second, if the digits, number of digits are same, so check their places. Okay, and which place will be greater, that number will be greater. So now come to the first one. It has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it has 7 digits, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right side number has 6 digits. So easily you can say that left side number is greater than right side number. So use this symbol, okay, greater than. So I hope that you have very well understand this all. So question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is for your homework. Do it, solve it, and if you have solved, then must answer it in the comment section. I will definitely check it. So now it's time to over the class. See you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.